Yep. You can actually see it's even gone into the little ears there. You see. So there we go. I know it doesn't look much now, but it will be fully silicone. So now we just try to get the body out. It is disheartening, this, when you've spent all that time sculpting and you end up having to do this. But unfortunately, that's just the way it goes. I'm excited to see how the tentacles have turned out. So the legs seem to be coming out okay. It's just broke off at the bottom there. So there's that. So you can see we have the indentations of the tentacles. There. Right, we can see there's just a little hole, so I'll go back round that and seal it up in a bit. I mean, silicone is very flexible, so don't be afraid to, you know, pull and stretch, because it will allow it. So last one coming out, I think. Sorry, I keep going out of shot, don't I? Right. So I think that's all of them. So yeah, I'm happy with how the tentacles have come out. So all that will be indented in the silicone. If they're not as deep, I'll just be able to cut them out and reform them, which I weren't expecting them to come out really deep. So there you go, there's the mould that the silicone will go into. So I'll just sort that. I think there's only that one there, just a tiny little hole, if you can see there. So I did mix a bit earlier, it might have cured a bit too much, but all you do is literally just seal that over, so it'll just stop any leakages. So that should be sufficient enough there. just to stop any leaks. And there we go. There's the finished glove mould. So on the next video I'll show you me pouring the silicone, and Vampus Baby will then be coming to life. It's exciting. I'll just show you as well, these are my previous trolls. I don't know where the bodies are. I can show you a head. Sorry. Yeah, the head. So we've got... Oh. I don't think I've actually got the... Oh no, yeah, I did it in Monster Clay. So the eyes have gone now, I reused the eyes. So that's one of the trolls' heads. That's his body. Or then you've got another one. And there we go, that's his body. Oh no, that's another body. But as you can see, there's a lot of repairs to do on that to put it back together. It all ripped. So here are the moulds that I did for them. So I'll be doing some more trolls. They all came out fine last time, but I've none to show you because they actually sold rather quick. So I'll be doing the trolls and the Vampus Baby into silicone on the next video. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.